How you doing, everybody? This is Jim Buck with Black Shoes Camper, Southern California, and welcome to Tech Tips. Today, I'm going to be talking about the HQ21, and I'm going to be showing you the change that we've made with the shower inside the floor plan of the HQ21 2022 model. So let's get into this. Let's get looking. So here I am in the hallway space by the shower and the toilet. So this is our restroom area, our bathing area. And so by design, we have the shorter door. And I've talked about this in another video regarding the tech tips for the bathroom door and how it's cut shorter. So that way it comes across and creates a closed off area. So we're going to have a nice privacy area right here, like so. Now for the shower, you're going to have that same privacy area. So again, if you want to have your privacy, the door closes over. Then you have your pocket door. I'll demonstrate again here for you. We unlock the pocket door. The pocket door can close over. And again, you may notice that on these doors, so on this door, the pocket door, this should be locked in the open position. So like I just pulled it from while you are traveling, just like the shower door, the bathroom door. Let me open the pocket door here. The bathroom door should be locked in the open position, such as a position like this. So that way the door doesn't slam open or whatever. Something might happen. You don't want to deal with that. Let me close this back out of the way a little bit here. Lock it back in place. So with the shower, we've gone to a full-size glass door. And so this will open up into our shower, and we have a really large shower. And I'm going to bring you up here in just a second so you can see it. But again, we have created this nice large space for you. So with the shower, we're going to walk up here. I'm going to show you some of the changes that we've done. So obviously we have our shower head mounted on the wall there with our mix valve. And so we have a really nice large area. We got a towel rack that you can use for afterwards after you've taken your shower. And one of the cool little features that we've included is this little step. Now, if you got little ones with you got little kids with you, they can use that as a little step. If you need ladies, you need to shave your legs. Well, there you go. You got a step that you can, put your foot on. You need to be able to put your foot on something so you can bend over, wash your feet, whatever you got to do. We've got this cool little step in there, and that also makes accommodations for our wheel well. And there you can see our drain there in the corner. But this is a nice, really large shower, and I'm going to show you real quick here or just how big it is. I'm going to step inside real quick and show you the size. All right, so as promised, here I am in the HQ21 shower, and like I said, I got a pretty good amount of elbow room to move around. There's a lot of room going this way. There's room this way, obviously a bit of room this way too. So there's a lot of room in this pan, this shower pan, and it's a single piece pan, so there's no seams to be concerned about with leaks or stuff like that. So we have one of the larger showers that is in this unit, and it's really nice because for the bigger guys, someone like me, there's a lot of room to move around in. So there you have it, the shower pan area for the HQ21, and that's whole little private privacy area with the doors that latch and the pocket door that slides across. So you have a lot of room to move around and do what you need to do. So again, this is Jim Buck, Black Shoes Camper, Southern California, with Tech Tips, saying take care, see you out there.